In this video, I'll quickly show you how to add target accounts in HubSpot and organize your most important companies in your CRM. To do that, navigate first to the Contacts or CRM right here. Now click on the contacts that you can find from there. Once you're in there, you can see right here all of your contacts. So for this case, you can find them on the target accounts, or you can also find them as for companies. So for CRM is also called companies. So let's head over and click on this. Now, once we have this ready, we can find all the companies that we have associated for this case. So for this case, you can add a target account by clicking onto this Add Companies, clicking on this Create New, and then after that, you can head over and then add right here things that you want added, like a company domain name. For example, let's add right here Google. Then for this case, let's add right here their name, company owner, input right here the industry that they're in. So this is just an example input right here. The type, the city, state, region, postal code, as well as the other details that they have associated. Once you have this, click on Create and it should be able to be created. That's it for this quick HubSpot tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more short and simple HubSpot guides.